Hi everyone, welcome back to Tiny Talent Art Studio. Today we're going to draw this cool little snake. What you're going to need is some paper, a pencil, an eraser, a black marker, and something to color in with. Alright, let's get started. At the top of the page, we're going to do the top part of the snake's mouth. So we're going to start here, and we're going to do kind of a wave motion, okay? Great, does everybody have that done? All right, let's keep going. We're gonna continue this line around underneath, okay? All right, once you have that shape formed, we're going to do her nostrils. So there's two ovals, just like that. Great, well done. Now we will be doing a little erasing because we want to put her tongue hanging out. We're going to get the whole thing down and then we'll do it after. Now let's do her mouth. She's smiling. She probably just caught dinner. Now her face is kind of going down. It's going up like that and down. That's her smile, okay? She has a very cheeky smile. And we're going to do her tongue like that, okay? But we're going to wait until after because we're going to do her neck first. Okay, now let's start doing her eyes up here. She has very big blue eyes, okay? So if you have to stop and do it again, that's fine. We're gonna try to get them about this height. And they're gonna be in this kind of shape, kind of like a teardrop, kind of. Or it's actually more like an upside down egg. And we'll do the same on this side. And remember what I told you about measuring and making the same size? If you follow the bottom, bring it across, okay? And then the top, and bring it across. You're gonna have to eye everything else, okay? But that's why we use a pencil, because you can always go back. If it's not right and you wanna change it, you can change it. Once you get to there, we're gonna do the inside of her eye, okay? So up and around like that, and do the same thing on this side. All right. And then we'll do the inner part. This is going to be the part that we're going to color blue, so try to make sure you have a little space there so they look nice and blue when we do color. You have plenty of room. Okay, I'll let you catch up there. Now, let's do the top part of the snake's head, okay? So she has these kind of bumps. They're gonna go like this. So you're gonna start, follow up the corner of the eye to just a little bit above there, okay? And then they're gonna wrap around like this and go like that, okay? All right, and then let's try to do the same. So remember, follow your line across. This is about above her eye there, okay? And then follow this across to about there. Okay, so then follow your line around. Now let's connect the top of her head. So we're just gonna go right about here and we're gonna just bring it across like that, okay? All right, now let's start her body. Now this is gonna get a little bit complicated, but just stick with me, okay? Step by step. So we're gonna do two lines here. We're gonna start about right here, just under her lip, okay? And we're gonna stop about here, okay? So we have our one line, and it's a little tiny bit curved. It's not perfectly straight, just a little bit curved, okay? Because we're gonna start curving her body and do a circular motion. We're gonna get this line, and we're gonna bring it all the way up and around, and we're gonna connect it back here, okay? You're gonna bring it around, okay? And then we're gonna start curving, okay? We're gonna bring this line, and we're gonna connect it, okay? Just like that. This line, we're gonna bring back a little bit. This is right here. So see, the snake's tail is going around like this and around like this. So this line here, you're gonna follow across and then right there, okay? And we're gonna swoop this back around like this again, all right? Everyone got it? Here we go. Okay. And there we go. Now, I'll see how far you got there. Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit of, show the underbelly of the snake. So we're gonna go from about here and we're gonna just follow the same line around. Okay. Just to there though. See this? This is gonna be her underbelly. This is gonna be the top part of the snake, okay? Now here, we're only gonna show her underbelly here, so it's gonna go about there. We are gonna add some lines here to make it look like her scale. Okay, now I wanna continue and I wanna do her tail, okay? So we're gonna do one line starting from about here, okay? Almost the middle of this area, but just about here, okay? And we're gonna bring it up, down, okay? And then I'm gonna bring it back around, okay? So this is the end of her tail, and it goes from skinny to bigger, and right around here we're gonna go fatter like that, okay? See, just like that. And then this is where we're gonna add her scales again underneath. So then there's your lines there. Now, how's everybody doing? Are we doing good? All right, I think she looks very cute. Let's add some spots to this snake. So we're gonna do, okay, and you can add them wherever you want. You don't even have to add spots, but I think spots really make her look like a snake. And it's gonna be a big spot there. And then I'm gonna do one more here. And then I think one here. Now, the last thing we need, if you remember, we need to do her tongue. So I'm gonna draw it and then I'm gonna erase out. So her tongue is like this. And then we wanna bring it down and make it a little bit wider at the bottom. And then you wanna go like that and that, okay? And then we're gonna erase in here. We're gonna add eyelashes after with the black. It's a lot easier to color that way. But let's get a black marker and outline, and make sure you don't smudge your ink. Wait until it dries, and take your time. Okay, that's it, outlined. Let's use an eraser and lightly erase and just hold the picture firmly, okay? You don't have to press hard, all right? Let's get coloring. I'll show you step by step what colors I'm gonna use. If you'd like to follow along, I'll leave the name of the markers in the description below. All right, let's get coloring. All right, that's it. Thanks so much for drawing this cute little snake with me. See you next time on Tiny Talent,